Hello friends, welcome to my channel Maths Pursuit. Today we are going to look into exercise 5.3 question 3 bit 6 from chapter 5 called Arithmetic Progression. So let's see what exactly is given in question number 3 bit 6. Now moving on to question number 3 bit 6, it is given that in an AP given A is equal to 2, D is equal to 8, Sn is equal to 90, find N and An. Guys, it looks like this question is also a easy one. Now let's see how we can solve this question. Moving on to solution.
So guys, as per the question, the given data is like A is equal to 2, D is equal to 8 and S9 is equal to 90. And we need to find out the value for N and An. So N and An they have not given. So these are the missing figures or missing data that we need to extract and find out. Okay. Now we very well know our formula, like An is equal to A1 plus N minus 1 into D. Here A1 is equal to 2, that is what they have given. Now let us put this values that we have in place. We have An is equal to A1 is equal to 2 plus N minus 1. We don't know the value of N. I can write N minus 1 into 8, or I can write An is equal to 2 plus 8N minus 8. So guys, this is what we have, or I can write still further, I can solve this one and I can write 8An is equal to 8N minus 6, because 2 and minus 8 is 6 minus 6. So this is what we got from this formula, and whatever the data we have, we utilize that data and we got this equation. Let us name this equation as 1. Now we very well know that the sum of the arithmetic sequence formula, because here they have also given Sn is equal to 90. So let us also utilize this data. Now I can write 2Sn is equal to N into A1 plus An. Now what I will do here, 2Sn value is 90, so I can write 2 into 90 is equal to N into A1 is 2 plus An. Now I will replace this value with equation 1. Okay, so equation 1 we got An is equal to 8N minus 6. So what I will do, solving this equation, I will write 2 into 90 is 180 is equal to N into 2 plus An is 8N minus 6 as per equation 1. So I will write that one, or I can write 180 is equal to N into 2 plus 8N minus 6. I can write 8N minus 4. Or again, after solving this equation, I can write 180, we got 180 is equal to N into 8N minus 4, or I can write 180 is equal to 8N square minus 4N, or I can write 8N square minus 4N minus 180 is equal to 0. So guys, you could see that we are getting one quadratic equation, and we are going to solve this quadratic equation. Now first of all, we could see that here 2 is common. So let us first, or 4 is common. So let us first remove 4 from here. So taking 4 as common, I can write 4 to the 8, 2N square minus N minus 4 4 the 16, 4 5 the 20, minus 45 is equal to 0. Or I can write 2N square minus N minus 45 is equal to 0. So guys, we need to solve this quadratic equation so that we can find the value of N. I believe you people know how to solve a quadratic equation. or else if you don't know, let's see how we are solving this quadratic equation. Okay, now here it is 2n square and here it is minus n. So we are going to write this equation as 2n square minus 10n plus 9n minus 45 is equal to 0. I believe if I write in this way it would be correct also, because minus n is nothing but I took it minus 10n plus 9n. If I consider minus 10n plus 9n, I will still get n. So just I used minus 10n plus 9n to find out that value. So my new equation became 2n square minus 10n plus 9n minus 45. Now taking here 2n as common, I can write 2n n minus 5, taking 2n common from this equation. So n minus 5, and I can write plus 9. So 9 into n is 9n, 9n minus 45 is equal to 0, or I can write 2n plus 9 into n minus 5 is equal to 0. So you could see that we are getting two values. One is like 2n plus n into n minus 5 is equal to 0, and one is n minus 5 is equal to 0. Now let us consider each two parts, because this is one part and this is one part. If you remember how we used to solve this type of equations. Now what I will do, I can write 2n plus 9 is equal to 0 as one equation, and let us first solve this one. 2n plus 9 is equal to 0, or I can write 2n is equal to minus 9, or n is equal to minus 9 by 2. Okay, one value of n we got as n is equal to 9 by 2, and the other one is like n minus 5 is equal to 0, or n is equal to 5. The other value for n that we got is 5. But guys, we very well know that the n value should not be in a negative or fraction, because these are terms: first term, second term, third term, and nth term. These numbers, these terms cannot be negative or fractions. For that reason, this value of n is wrong. This value of n we cannot consider, and this value of n we are going to consider. So we got the value of n as 5, and we are going to ignore this value n is equal to minus 9 by 2. Now guys, after getting the value of n, what we are going to do, we are going to just put the value of n in our formula and see what we are getting now. Now I can write 2Sn is equal to n into a1 plus a n, or I can write, because we are going to find out this an value, 2 into Sn is nothing but 90. Just again I am putting the things in this formula, and n value we got 5, a1 we know 2 plus an, or I can write 180 is equal to 5 to the 10 plus 5 an, or I can write 180 minus 10 is equal to 5 an, or I can write 170 is equal to 5 an, or I can write an is equal to 170 by 5, or I can write an is equal to 5 3 is 15, 5 4 is 20. So guys, we got the value of an as 34. That's all guys. These are the two things that are being asked in the question, so we are able to extract, or we are able to find out these two things. But still, if you have any question or doubts, please reach out to me in the comment section of this video. Definitely I will get back to you once I see your comments. If you really like my videos, I would request you to kindly subscribe and also let your friends know. This will motivate me to create similar videos in the future. Thank you. Bye.